Want to learn coding anytime, anywhere, just using your phone? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 free coding apps for Android that every beginner should try. Let's get started.
Number 1 is SPCK Editor. It's perfect for web development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can preview your code live, just like on a computer. Lightweight and fast, it's one of my go-to tools. Next is Acode, a powerful code editor that supports tons of languages. It has file manager support, syntax highlighting, and even terminal access. If you want to code full websites on your phone, Acode is amazing. Third is Decoder. This one's best for practicing programming challenges in languages like Python, C++, or Java. It's like having a mini IDE in your pocket. Number 4 is Solo Learn. It gives you step-by-step tutorials in Python, JavaScript, and more. Perfect for beginners who want to start slow and steady. And finally, Enki. Think of it like Duolingo, but for coders. Daily lessons, quick tips, and clean design. Great for learning a little every day. Let me know which one's your favorite, or if you're already using any of these. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I've got more phone-friendly coding content coming soon.